3, 2, 1.
I think this project is really a poster child for how agencies, road-owning agencies, should be working together.
This project was made possible by something called the local bridge bundling, which allowed local communities to upgrade bridges more efficiently by capitalizing on MDOT's expertise.
This is obviously the biggest one to date so far, but we've been able to deliver nearly 37 other bridges by cooperatively working between the Department of Transportation and our local partners to deliver projects efficiently and at lower costs.
This, if you're not aware, at one point in time, this was ranked the worst road in the state of Michigan. Being able to fight in the legislature for the funding alongside all the collaborative partners that are here to ensure people got the results that they had promised. And we're so thrilled and excited that this is finally happening.
A few years ago, this was the bridge that was no longer functional. There was a time we had over 250 temporary support under this bridge. It wasn't able to service the truck traffic. MDOT and Wayne County and the city of Dearborn, we came together. We found a way to collaborate.
I've been saying it recently, and the more I say it, the more I like it. Collaboration is the new currency. We don't get things done without collaborating with each other. We may not agree about everything, but if we agree in a principled sort of way that the things that move Wayne County and Michigan forward, then we're doing the right thing.
7 years ago, this bridge was in rough shape. We vowed to do something about it, and today I am proud that we've made good on that promise. So thank you to our partners at MDOT and Wayne County, and most of all, the men and women who work on this project.